Let's learn how do we divide the number 408 by 6 using the long division method. To do this, at first we will write down the numbers in this way. 4 is less than 6. That is why let's consider the number 40. We know that 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Subtract, we get 4. Now this 4 is less than 6. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 8 here. And we know that 6 times 8 is equal to 48. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 408 divided by 6 is equal to this number 68. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.